Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John.
And I'm Emma. We are so happy you're here with us today.
Yeah, really happy. So Emma, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, actually. I had my coffee this morning. I went for a little walk. Life is good. How about you?
I'm good too. A little tired, but good. I was at a party last night.
Oh, nice. Was it fun?
It was mostly fun, but something happened. Something uncomfortable.
Oh, what happened?
Okay, so I was talking to this guy. I just met him. We were having a nice conversation about movies, and then suddenly we both stopped talking.
Oh no.
Yeah, we just stood there looking at each other. No words, nothing.
The awkward silence.
Exactly, the awkward silence. It was so uncomfortable. I didn't know what to say. My mind was completely blank.
I hate that feeling. It's the worst.
It really is, and that's why today's topic is perfect.
Yes, today we are going to talk about how to survive awkward silences.
This is super important, especially when you're learning English. Sometimes you forget a word, sometimes you don't know what to say next.
And that's okay. It happens to everyone, even native speakers.
Even me, last night at that party.
Okay, let's help you and everyone watching never feel stuck again.
So first, let's talk about what an awkward silence is. Emma, how would you explain it?
Okay, an awkward silence is when two people are talking and then suddenly nobody speaks and it feels weird.
Yeah, weird, uncomfortable, strange.
Like you want to say something, but your brain is empty.
Exactly, and the longer the silence goes, the more awkward it feels.
Right, 5 seconds can feel like 5 minutes.
Oh, so true.
But here's the good news. Awkward silences are normal. They happen to everyone.
Even people who speak English perfectly.
Even me and John.
All the time.
Okay, so why do they happen? Why do we suddenly have nothing to say?
Good question. I think there are a few reasons.
Yeah, let's go through them.
Number one, you finish a topic, like you talked about the weather. You said everything, and now there's nothing more to say.
That happens a lot. The topic is done.
Number two, you're nervous. Maybe you're talking to someone new or someone important, and your brain just freezes.
I get nervous sometimes, especially when I meet new people.
Me too. And number three, you're thinking in another language.
Ooh, this is big for English learners.
Yeah, sometimes you know what you want to say in your language, but you need time to translate it to English.
And during that time, silence.
Exactly.
But don't worry, we have solutions. We have phrases, we have tricks.
Let's teach them right now.
Okay, first trick, filler phrases.
Filler phrases are small words or sounds that give you time to think.
They don't mean much, but they keep the conversation alive.
Let me give you some examples. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, the first one is
Let me think.
See, it's so simple. You're not saying anything important, but you're showing the other person that you're thinking.
Another one, well,
Well, that's a good question.
I use this one all the time.
Me too. Okay, another filler,
You know, I've been thinking about that.
This one is very common in American English.
Very natural.
Here's another one. Let me see.
Let me see, what was I going to say?
I say that a lot.
And one more. How do I say this?
This is great because it shows you're looking for the right words.
And people will wait for you. They understand.
Okay, let's practice together. I'll ask you a question and you use a filler phrase before you answer.
Okay, let's do it.
Emma, what's your favorite movie?
Let me think. I really like romantic comedies. Maybe The Proposal?
Perfect. Did you hear that, everyone? She said, let me think. That gave her time.
And it sounded natural, right?
Very natural.
Okay, next trick, topic changers.
Sometimes the silence happens because the topic is finished. You need a new topic.
And that's okay. You can change the topic.
Let me give you some phrases for this.
Yes, please.
Number one, oh, that reminds me.
Oh, that reminds me, I saw a funny video yesterday.
See, you're moving to a new topic smoothly.
I love this one.
Number two, by the way.
By the way, did you eat lunch yet?
This is so common. Americans say this all the time.
All the time.
Number 3, so anyway.
So, anyway, how is your family doing?
This one is great when you want to move past something.
Like you're closing one topic and opening another.
Exactly. Number 4, speaking of which.
Speaking of which, I need to go to the gym soon.
Me too.
We should go together.
And number 5, oh, I just remembered.
Oh, I just remembered, I have to call my mom.
This one is very useful and very natural.
It sounds like real conversation.
Because it is real conversation.
Okay, John, let's show everyone a real example.
Good idea. Let's have a conversation and I will pretend to have an awkward silence.
And you'll show how to survive it.
Exactly. Ready?
Ready.
So, Emma, nice weather today, right?
Yeah, it's sunny and warm. I love days like this.
Me too. It's perfect for, sorry, I lost my train of thought.
It's okay. Happens to me all the time.
Oh, I just remembered. Did you watch that new show on Netflix?
Which one?
I think it's called, what's the name? Let me think. Oh, The Night Agent.
Oh, yeah, I heard about it. Is it good?
It's really good, very exciting.
Did you see what John did? He got stuck. He used filler phrases, then he changed the topic.
And the conversation continued naturally.
No awkwardness.
Well, maybe a little.
But you survived.
All right, everyone, before we finish, let's give some final tips.
Yes, quick tips to remember.
Tip number 1, don't panic. Silence is normal. Take a breath.
Tip number 2, use filler phrases. They give you time to think.
Tip number 3, have a few safe topics ready, like weather, food, or weekend plans.
Tip number 4, ask questions. Questions keep the conversation going.
And tip number 5, practice. The more you talk, the easier it gets.
These tips work in any language, but especially in English.
All right, everyone, that's our video for today.
We hope you learned something useful.
Remember, awkward silences happen to everyone, even native speakers.
The important thing is to stay calm, use your phrases, and keep trying.
You're doing amazing. Keep learning, keep practicing.
And keep watching our videos.
Yes, please subscribe if you haven't already.
Hit the like button. Leave a comment. Tell us, have you ever had an awkward silence?
We want to hear your stories.
All right, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.